Hello everyone. If you are using Cisco Prime infrastructure in your organization and if you want to upgrade it from your current version to latest version, so how you can do it, that I will show you in this entire series. So we will start from 2.1 to 3.5, like how we can, because the current latest version as per the date which I am recording, the current latest version, that is the 3.5. So if you want to move from 2.1 to 3.5, so how we can do it, that we will see in this entire series. So from 2.1 to 3.5 we cannot easily upgrade from directly from 2.1 to 3.5. For this some process and the steps Cisco has provided, so that we must have to follow. And if we want to move from 2.1 to 3.0 or any other 2.1 to 2.2, so in that case also the inline upgrade it's not available. So if you want to move from 2.1 to 3.5 or into the 3.1, so you have to go step by step, like from 2.0, sorry, 2.1 to 2.2, 2.2 to 3.0, 3.0 to 3.1, and from 3.1 to 3.5. But if you want to move from 2.1 to 2.2, in that case also the inline upgrade is not available. So how we can upgrade the entire Cisco Prime, that I will show you in upcoming some videos. So before start the upgradation process and explain about it, so let me show you what are the basic requirements. So for that you must require one FTP, SFTP or the NFS server, in which servers you can save, or you can save your store your existing backup, and you can store your upgradation file which we will download from the Cisco website. Another thing, you required a VMware or the vSphere if you are using the Cisco Prime on the VM, and if you are using the Cisco hardware, then in that case you will not require the VMware. Another thing is you require the internet connectivity, strong internet connectivity to download some heavy files. Because if we want to upgrade the iOS, so in that case the size of this iOS it's more than 2.5 GB. Some files are around the 4 GB size. So that is also required. And the one more thing, that is the root access of your PI, that is the Prime infrastructure. So to upgrade the Cisco Prime infrastructure, you must require the root access of your Cisco Prime Intra. Okay. Now the process is like it's a complex process, but in three steps, just let me explain you. Like we will first of all take the application backup. So there are two types of backups are available into the for the Cisco Prime infrastructure. One is the application backup, and second one is the appliance backup. So what is the application backup and what is the appliance backup, that we will check practically also. But let me explain you here, like whatever the applications you are using for the Prime, if you are monitoring the switches, if you are monitoring the user, if you are monitoring the WLC, and you are using it for to create the guest account, so that all things are come into the applications. And the appliance, that if you are using the VM as a Prime infrastructure, so in that case you have to take the snapshot of that VM, so that is the appliance backup. And after that two backups, we also require the backup of the license which we are using into the Cisco Prime. So the rehost of the license is also required from old device to new device. And PI upgrade file, that is also required, like whatever with the version you want to go from here to there. So in that case the new iOS file will also required, so that we will download from the Cisco. So which file you should download, which command you have to apply, how you can go into the root access of the Cisco Prime by using the CLI, and how you can check the admin access, and how you can work on the CLI and the GUI, that I will show you in this entire series. So if you have any query, so you can ask into the comment box. You can directly mail us on to the below email ID networklab3105@gmail.com. So again, I welcome you to this Cisco Prime upgradation series. Thank you very much.